Good morning, students. Today I will explain you chapter 9 of novel Death to the Marquis' Nephew. In this chapter, I will start with that Miss Prose was shopping with Jerry Cruncher in the Saint Antoine district. Miss Prose met her brother Solomon, and Jerry Cruncher asked Solomon, "Is your name Solomon?" Then Jerry said, "You are a spy witness," and Sidney Carton came over there and said to Solomon that you are John Bursard. There was no alternative to escape, so John Bursard went to meet Laurie. Carton introduced Bursard to Laurie, and Carton told to Laurie that Mr. Bursard was a witness at trial. Then Mr. Laurie gave a look of hatred toward Bursard, and Carton said to Bursard that you were a spy for the old government and also a spy for the English against the French. Finally, Bursard accepted defeat. Carton said, "You are a jailer at the conciergerie and take me there." Laurie requested Carton not to tell Lucy about me, otherwise she will be unhappy. Laurie heard that Lucy is going to La Force every day. It was 10 o'clock when Carton stood outside the prison of La Force and finally reached chemist's shop to get the prescribed packets. Sidney did not sleep that night, and the words on his father's gravestone arose in his mind. When the sun rose, he went to the Charles trial. In court, Laurie, Dr. Manette, Lucy, Carton were there. Charles was accused openly by Ernest Defarge, cafe owner in Saint Antoine, and his wife. Dr. Manette protested against the statement of Ernest Defarge. Defarge said a piece of paper was found in the cell 105 North Tower on the day we attacked the Bastille. It was written by Dr. Manette. Officer read that Alexander Manette wrote in year 1767. On 22 December 1757, two young gentlemen took me to a poor house in the village where a beautiful young woman was lying on the bed in the great pain. Woman repeated, "My husband, my father, my brother." Doctor checked that pain was in her mind, not in body. Later I was taken to another room where a young man of age 17 years was lying in pain, and as he had a deadly wound on his chest. Before young man died, he told his horrific story to the doctor, and young man told doctor that the two gentlemen who had employed your services were Marquis Saint Evremond and his twin brother. Young woman was the sister of young man and was married to one of the Marquis' servants. Marquis' brother decided to marry that young woman, but poor husband did not agree, and the Marquis' brother put him to work day and night in fields. Poor husband died, and Marquis' brother got opportunity to kidnap beautiful woman. Listening this information, father of young woman died. Younger brother of woman took her to a place where neither Marquis nor his brother could find her. Fight took place, and Marquis' brother killed that boy with his sword. At last, young woman died. Marquis and his brother tried to give gold to officer, but he refused, and later officer wrote a private letter to the minister. Next day, wife of Marquis Saint Evremond met him, officer, and feeling deeply distressed, she discovered the main facts of the cruel story and wished to contact the younger sister that had been saved. Her sister introduced to a young boy her nephew, whose age was just 2 to 3 years. Sister said that boy would never be of his ancestors' property because of his father and uncle's bad deeds. Next day, doctor was attacked and tied by the Marquis and his brother. Then doctor prayed to God that both of these persons would die in a painful death and their whole race will be totally destroyed. Tribunal announced that the Charles should be taken to the consistory and be put to death within 24 hours. Charles went away by saying goodbye to Lucy, and seeing this, Dr. Manette began tearing at his hair in madness. Lucy said to Carton to do something to save Charles, and Carton whispered some words to Lucy. Words were, "A life you love." Thanks. Let me assign you the work. Number 1, word meanings are given at the back of this book. Space is given. You have to find those meaning from the dictionary and write it on the book itself. Second thing, you have to write down the question answers on the notebook, but for that you have to read the story from the book. Thanks.